So let's get an idea of what some locations of these ordered pairs, how to work with them and how to start to have an understanding of what they do and what they represent as we'll start to see these, and we'll be responsible for finding locations. Over on my right, I've listed several ordered pairs. Again, you see that I have point A and its ordered pair is -3, 5. And so that represents a physical space or a location within our Cartesian coordinate system that we're looking. The first number represents my x location, my x variable. And it's a -3, which means that if this is 0, I'm going to go backwards 3, or in the negative direction, -1, -2, -3. And then the y coordinate is up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so there's the location of point A. Point B, can you guys be a couple steps ahead of me here? That says go over +2, 1, 2, down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And down here in quadrant 4, I have point B located. C, 5, 0. I have a 0. I don't know what to do with that yet, but I know what to do with the 5 at least. So the 5 says on the x-axis, 5 in the positive direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the 0 tells me how far up or down I go. And since I go up 0, point C is located right there on the x-axis. D, -5, -2. I go backwards and down. -5 in the x direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down 2. In the negative direction, I have point D. 2 more to go, guys. Point E, 0 and 4. All right, that's 0. Okay, the first number represents how far I go on the x-axis, left or right. And since it's a 0, I stay put. And then I look at the y coordinate, which is a 4. And that tells me I'm going to go up or +4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And right there on the y-axis, I have my point E. And then the last one, just as a reminder, point F is 0, 0. That's an ordered pair. It doesn't mean nothing, it doesn't mean 0. It just means its location is at the point 0, 0, or basically the origin of our entire coordinate system that we developed. So that was just a little bit of an idea of how we plot particular points within our coordinate system. Some of you might be asking is, well, does the order matter? Well, yes, because we call them ordered pairs, which means there is an order. So for example, if I look at point D, well, what if I reversed it around? What if it was -2 and -5? Would that be at the same location? Would that still be point D? Well, let's look. Remember, the first number tells us the x variable, so it goes backwards 2. And then the second one is the y variable, or the y coordinate, down 5. So right there, I have the other D, D prime. I'll just call that to designate it as a little bit of difference. And so you see that those 2 points are not at the same location, and that tells us that order does matter.